A Horseshoe Bend man is dead after a lawnmower he borrowed overturned on him. The Izard County Sheriff's Office says the man and lawnmower were located at 7:30 this morning at North Shore Drive and Michigan Avenue. The investigation started at 1 this morning when the Sheriff's Office received a report of a missing man. The caller said the man had borrowed a lawnmower yesterday afternoon to cut his grass but had not returned it. The Sheriff's Office says a culvert hidden by underbrush made it difficult to find him and the mower. His name was not released pending the notification of next of kin.